Welcome to an exploration of rustic vintage wood decor, where the charm of the past meets the elegance of contemporary design. In an era where homes are increasingly becoming a refuge from the chaos of everyday life, the allure of rustic vintage pieces offers a unique way to create warm, inviting spaces. This style celebrates the natural beauty of wood, embracing its imperfections and rich textures to add character and authenticity to any home. By integrating wooden furniture and decorative items, homeowners can weave stories into their living spaces, making each room a testament to both personal history and timeless craftsmanship. As you embark on this journey into rustic vintage wood decor, you'll discover how these elements not only enhance aesthetic appeal but also promote a sense of comfort and connection. The warmth of reclaimed wood, with its unique stories and textures, fosters an intimate environment that is perfect for gatherings with family and friends. Whether it's a beautifully weathered dining table that sparks conversations during meals or unique wooden accents that make your space feel complete, the blend of old-world charm and modern sensibilities invites you to create a home that resonates with your personality and lifestyle. Together, let's delve into the elements and ideas that make rustic vintage decor so enchanting and enduring. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, as we have plenty more exciting content lined up for you. We release one new video per day, each filled with inspiring ideas and insights into rustic vintage wood decor and more. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share the videos with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to create quality content and build a vibrant community that appreciates the timeless charm of rustic vintage styles. Join us on this journey, and let's transform our spaces together. Rustic vintage wood furniture and decorative pieces serve as a bridge between the past and the present, infusing homes with character, warmth, and history. This style celebrates the natural beauty of wood while highlighting the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Each piece tells a story, making it a meaningful addition to any living space. The combination of rustic charm with a modern aesthetic creates a unique atmosphere that feels both inviting and stylish. Rustic vintage wood furniture and decorative pieces serve as a bridge between the past and the present, infusing homes with character, warmth, and history. This style celebrates the natural beauty of wood while highlighting the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Each piece tells a story, making it a meaningful addition to any living space. The combination of rustic charm with a modern aesthetic creates a unique atmosphere that feels both inviting and stylish. The appeal of rustic vintage wood furniture lies in its rich textures and unique imperfections. Reclaimed wood, often sourced from old barns, factories, or houses, carries its own history and quirks. The knots, scratches, and variations in grain emphasize the authenticity of each piece. This imperfection is celebrated, often seen as a testament to the durability and longevity of the material. Such furniture contributes to an organic, lived-in feel that contrasts starkly with the polished surfaces often found in contemporary designs. When choosing rustic vintage wood furniture, consider pieces that embody both function and form. A sturdy farmhouse table can serve as the heart of a dining room, inviting friends and family to gather around for meals and conversation. Paired with mismatched vintage chairs, this setup creates an atmosphere that is both relaxed and inviting. The richness of wood adds warmth to the dining experience, making it feel more intimate and homely. In addition to larger furniture items, decorative pieces also play a crucial role in achieving a rustic vintage aesthetic. Wooden accessories, such as carved sculptures, picture frames, and decorative bowls, add personality to any space. These items can be strategically placed on shelves, mantels, or tabletops to create visual interest and foster a sense of authenticity. By incorporating these smaller elements, homeowners can maintain cohesion while expressing their personal style. The interplay between rustic vintage wood and modern design is particularly fascinating. Merging clean lines with rustic elements can create a balanced aesthetic that feels fresh yet timeless. For example, a sleek, contemporary sofa can be beautifully complemented by a rugged wooden coffee table or a rustic sideboard. This combination allows for various styles to coexist harmoniously, creating an eclectic yet cohesive environment. Textiles also play an essential role in enhancing the rustic vintage theme. Pairing wooden furniture with soft, natural fabrics such as linen or cotton can evoke a sense of comfort and relaxation. A linen table runner draped over a rustic wood table, adorned with seasonal flowers in a vintage vase, creates an inviting centerpiece. Such arrangements draw attention to the natural beauty of the wood while adding layers of texture and warmth. Lighting fixtures are another vital consideration in rustic vintage design. Choosing wooden lamps or chandeliers can tie the whole look together. A pendant light crafted from reclaimed wood not only illuminates the space but also serves as a striking focal point. Soft, warm lighting enhances the warmth of the wood, creating an atmosphere that feels both cozy and sophisticated. Outdoor spaces can also benefit from rustic vintage wood elements. Wooden benches, picnic tables, or garden swings evoke feelings of nostalgia, making them perfect for relaxation and social gatherings. Including potted plants or herb gardens in wooden planters can further enhance this outdoor aesthetic, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. These spaces can become retreats that nurture a connection with nature, inviting tranquility into everyday life. The sustainability aspect of rustic vintage wood furniture is increasingly important in today's eco-conscious world. Opting for reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood reduces the demand for newly harvested timber, promoting environmental responsibility. This choice allows homeowners to invest in pieces that not only look beautiful but also align with a commitment to sustainability. Using vintage pieces further contributes to this ethical design ethos, ensuring that quality craftsmanship is appreciated for years to come. Incorporating rustic vintage wood furniture into a home isn't just about style, it's also about creating spaces that foster connection and comfort. These pieces often evoke warmth and nostalgia, making them perfect for family heirlooms or cherished finds. Whether it's a handmade rocking chair passed down through generations or a lovingly restored trunk, each item is imbued with memories and meaning. This emotional connection enhances the atmosphere of any living space. In conclusion, the integration of rustic vintage wood furniture and decorative pieces into home design creates a captivating blend of history and modernity. This approach not only enhances visual appeal but also fosters a cozy, inviting atmosphere that resonates with residents and guests alike. By consciously selecting pieces infused with meaning and story, homeowners can curate a timeless home experience that celebrates craftsmanship and nostalgia while remaining rooted in today's aesthetic trends. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into rustic vintage wood decor. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the video with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video, and let's keep exploring the beauty of timeless design together.